Put your teeth back in.
Put your teeth back in.
Cool.
Good afternoon, one and all. It is I. It's been a while, but me and Dawn decided to just go away for a couple of days. A little campsite. Not been to it before, but it's just bottom end of Lincoln, between Lincoln and Spalding. Looks a nice little quiet site.
Yeah, adults only.
Adults only, yeah, so that's good, yeah. So we're just on our way there. So we just thought we'd pop on and say hi, and we'll take you with us on a little 2-day adventure. Bing bang bosh. Just a little quickie. We've got the internet's hottest, two hottest lovebirds coming to visit us tomorrow. You know them as Nash and Deb. You see them in a few other videos. But this couple is hot. They're red hot. I've just, you know, they're
Can't keep their hands off one another.
can't keep their hands off each other. They've been together, bless them, for 30 odd years. You know, and it's just like, it's nice to see, you know, two people so much in love with each other. Yeah, after all these years, take my hat off to you. Me and Dawn, I mean, we've only been together for 2 years, and God, we can't stand each other now. You know what I mean? Never mind 35 years,
Yeah.
like they've been together. So yeah, so you'll see the internet's hottest lovebirds tomorrow afternoon at some point. Well, we're just coming up to the campsite now. Just there. There's just one tent there. Oh, that's nice. It's just us in one more tent. So, I don't know where we go or anything. Or I'm assuming, do we go around the back? Or is that, oh, that's haulage. Alright. Well, we made it to the spot. It's nice little bit windy, but let's have a look. Let me show you. There's just us and somebody else. It's just this little, it's like maybe somebody's like garden. It's a decent sized little field. It's got a little bungalow over there where the couple live, and yeah. And just surrounded by fields all the way around. Right, let's get set up. Whew. We're getting there. So far, it's quite windy, so we're hoping to put a windbreak at the back there. Hopefully it might prevent a bit of the wind, but who knows. Yeah, so it's a lovely spot, this. Really nice spot. Lovely and quiet, you can hear a pin drop. Whew. Right, we'll crack on, do a bit more. Well, it's that time of the night. The sun's dropped and Neil has made me put a fire on. So it's been a quiet one. We'll probably end up sitting in the car in the next half an hour or so once the sun drops, because temperature drops pretty quick. I don't know why I bought the awning, really.
I can get changed in there, and I can get a toilet.
Oh yeah, Naila's put the toilet in it.
And I can get changed. We are not like you're going in bushes and...
That's it, you're not supposed to be swearing, you know. Nice fire. It's really calm. Nice and calm here. Let's have a look. Have a look around there. There's just us and one other person, I think, and the tent. Morning one and all, it is I. Brekkie time, it's the next day. Didn't film much last night because it gets dark now early. About 7:30 it started to get dark now, so the time we got in and set up and everything. So, I didn't do much filming. But we're just having a quick break in and we're waiting for the internet's hottest lovebirds to arrive. And we're probably going to go for a little donner into Lincoln, I think. Have a look around there. Never actually been to Lincoln. Been through it many times, but not actually in it. Good afternoon. The lovebirds have arrived, and we're just on our way to Lincoln. Take a nice steady drive. Beautiful day today, sun shining. 23 degrees. Beautiful. Oh, what's that? Bloody chicken in the middle of the road.
Oh.
What the hell? You can tell we're in the middle of nowhere.
I mean, up Scotland,
Isn't it?
the animals are
No. Yeah, we have to keep slowing down and waiting for the lovebirds. I don't know what they're doing in that car while he's driving, like, but they can't keep their hands off each other. So I keep constantly. If you see me looking at my rear view mirror, it's because I'm trying to keep them. You know, have to slow down and stuff to try and keep up with them because they're driving dead slow. Because they just can't keep their hands off each other. So, which I suppose is nice after 35 years, you know, it's nice and still got it. Oh, we made it to Lincoln.
Why do we have to want this video?
After nearly getting us lost 2 or 3 times. We finally got parked up, actually, in the car park just behind us. To the side right up there somewhere. Just up the top, we managed to get in there. So we're going to take a little donner up to the Lincoln Cathedral. We're going to walk around there. I've never been there before. That's if we can get them two to, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying to you, like, you know what I mean? And typically the women are looking for somewhere to spend money, you know what I mean? Like me and Nash, we like to go, you know, and visit places and of interest.
Nash, this about .com.
Yeah.
Very old fashioned, isn't it?
Look at these slackers, look. Isn't that good, ladies? Oh, it's a steep hill. Glacier's up there. Right at the top there. You can just see the cathedral peeking through. It's a good walk, tell them that. I'm assuming this is like old Lincoln.
Yeah, Lincoln, yeah.
Amazing, isn't it?
Beautiful. Going?
Can't believe it's the first time I've ever been here.
Joking.
Yeah, I've never been here before. Never.
It's me now, so
Been through Lincoln many a times, but not actually in, you know, this part. It's beautiful, isn't it?
It used to be Christmas market.
Just looking for lovebirds, like, but they've disappeared into one of the dark rooms, I think. They've gone for a little canoodle. You see, you can't leave them alone for 2 minutes. They're going to be there. If there's a little, if there's a little pocket, little dark area, they're in, having a little touch and a little feel. You know what I mean? They've just disappeared. We're looking for them, can't find them anywhere. Don't know where they've gone. Just have to look for a little dark room or something there somewhere, and that's where they'll be. Because they're not, certainly. They're not out. I don't know. Are they out here? They're not, are they? They'll be in a little dark room. Yeah, what a beautiful place. It really is. This is a lovely town. Right, here they come, look. We've been sat outside for about half an hour. Here they come, look.
Oh, it is.
She's having a right good guzzle of pop there, look, like she's knackered. You know what I mean? Like she's, look, I don't know whether.
You want to make him earlier. What's it saying?
I said no.
We're raining, stuck on.
I've just been wondering where you got to, like, you know what I mean?
We've been to light a candle.
Look, where have you been, do you say?
Where was that? Just in upside.
Little playroom.
What a donation.
Playroom, you see? Right, just found out something really spectacular here.
Jamie do, because that was online.
They've just told us where they went. He only disappeared when they was in the cathedral. Apparently there's weddings. They have weddings and you can get married in the cathedral. They disappeared. Watch your space.
Look at this beautiful horsey. Hello. Hello, baby. How are you doing? Tour bus.
Tour bus.
What's it, what wedding guests?
Lincoln sightseeing. It's massive, isn't it? It's huge.
It is huge, isn't it?
It's
That's part of it.
Yeah.
See about there, that's where the chapel, the main chapel is there. That's where the organ started playing.
Oh, does it?
a grand day for it.
Beautiful day.
Beautiful day for it. Through here. What's through here? Ooh, it sounds indoors. No. Yep. What have we got here? What's this then?
Oh, there'll be burial things then, I bet. Tombs.
Oh.
That's right.
There's actually people buried in is that?
Yeah.
Hey, look, that's
I said there's 20
Excellent.
people buried here. Oh, wedding. Oh my God.
It says wedding boss. We've got to look at this.
Yeah, then.
oh, what this?
It's got our wedding crew on.
Standing on them.
London Transport. It's kind of weird that something like this is not far from us, is it? You know what I mean? And I've never been here. Well, what? About 40 minutes away. We live about 40 minutes away from here. Never been. Definitely need to start exploring our surroundings a lot more. King Edward House, Church House. Ooh.
I don't know if you can go in. Right door.
It says it's locked. It's locked at riffraff. Lovebirds over there. They're just they're deciding which room they're going to get married in, and you know, I mean, they're looking. They're looking. They're trying to decide. Would you like that room there, my dear? Would you? Oh, what's this? What have we got around here? Oh, is that a little stage? Got a concert on there. Drum riser. Hmm.
That's first Lincolnshire already, isn't it?
Yeah.
Band on there. Oh dear.
Drum riser, Nella. This, it's gone on right. It's still going.
Yeah, is that right? It is gone.
I've just caught Nash looking at that bride. Stood on them steps. In the wedding dress, and all Nash is looking at, imagining, you know, not going to be long before Deb stood there. You know, and he's looking all loving. He tour after 35 years. They're finally going to get hitched. Yeah, so this is back end. Yeah, it's definitely a lot bigger than what I thought it was. Oh, doing some restoration. Doing it. Oh. BG, another part. Unreal. Pitlochry of Scotland. So a wee gander.
Stirling Shopping Centre.
Yeah,
It's similar to that.
it is, isn't it? So you've got the top and stuff there, look. Guess what?
7. Never.
This shot we've just been looking in. It's definitely happening. An old phone box, can you believe it? Still with the phone in. Fee 60p for a call. I didn't think that any of the phone boxes were operational nowadays. Makes a pleasant change. What's that like?
It's a well down there. It's the well.
All right. Don't look down there. Fall in the water. Oh, mate. Somebody's selling your gear. Well, this is a steep hill. Isn't it, Nella? It's going to get, it gets even steeper as well. Let me show you this. I don't know if you can actually catch how steep it is on the camera, but the rest, I was like,
Don't talk off it.
we're going to go to thingy, aren't we? You've got unlimited refills. Bloody hell. Hang on to the railing, Nella. God, it's steep. I don't think I've ever walked down such a steep hill before. Cobbled streets. Right, coffee time I think. Let's pop into the Witherspoons and grab ourselves a coffee. We're off in Tesco's, some liquor for Nella.
You've got a right cheeky grin on you, haven't you?
There's the proof, ladies and gentlemen.
You're greedy. I weren't getting any. You that told me to get there.
There's the proof, ladies and gentlemen. That's all I'll have to say. ID price match. Right, that's Tesco's done.
Yeah.
So we're all...
We've got Thackeray's liquor
Yeah,
because he was greedy last night
yeah.
and he's made me buy him some more.
We're just going to load up Google Maps and head back to the campsite. So we'll see you shortly. Well, we've made it back to the campsite. Wind's picked up a wee bit now. Dropped a little bit chilly. We were like 20 minutes ago, half an hour ago, when we were driving back, the sun was out, splitting the trees, and it was lovely and warm. At one point today it was 24 degrees, wasn't it? But it's the wind is definitely picking up a wee bit. Let me show you this tree that's near us. It's blown a fair wee bit, and so's the old awning as well. But let me show you around again. Oh God, there's still us and one more tent.
Yeah.
Oh, they're just coming back now. I think they've gone for a walk, but they're just coming back. So it's just been us two. Us two lots that have been here since yesterday. So it'll just be us all weekend. The looks of it, just us in that tent there. So it's been all right, but I think there might be a storm moving in. It just feels like there's maybe a storm moving in. Oh, and that's something as well. I've got this big sort of that tree thing here. I don't know if you can see flying around it. You probably can't see. There's quite a few decent-sized dragonflies flying around. Something you don't see every day. So we're just going to chill, have something to eat in a bit. Oh, Dawn's making something, not sure where it is. She did say it, but... So yeah, so the two lovebirds have gone. They left when we left Lincoln. We went separate ways. They went back home to do God knows what. And yeah, so we went to Tesco's, got a few bits and bobs in, and then come back here. Looking up at the sky, there's definitely some darker, greyer clouds coming over there compared to over there where it's nice and blue. And that's the sky that we had where we were driving back from Lincoln. And this lot's moving in up here, so it just feels like there's a storm coming, or some rain at least. Anyway, we'll let you know what happens in a bit. Well, it's good morning, one and all. It is I. It is Sunday morning, and we're just going to be making some brekkie and start to get packed up and head off home. Oh, Nella, God love her, look. I don't know why everybody calls her names, you know. I really don't. She's not a bad lass. That's it. That's all she knows. Violence. But anyway, yeah, today it rained last night. Quite heavy at times.
Lightning.
And lightning. We had some friends that lives near where we live saying that it had thunder and lightning and stuff there. And I thought yesterday it was such a beautiful day when we was in Lincoln, walking around Lincoln, and as soon as we got back to headed back to the campsite, it kind of greyed over a little bit, and the wind picked up, and
And I did say, I think we've got a storm coming. You could just feel it. It wasn't forecast on the weather apps at all, on any of them that we had. So it just goes to show that you can't trust them weather apps really. Yeah, then it belted it down about, times it nearly about 10ish. Something around about then. It come down, and we found out, because the first time we've had this awning up in the rain, that it's not really waterproof. So things are a little bit wet and stuff, so that'll probably be in the bin when we get home. So that's it. So I'm actually going to try and hopefully remember to film actually taking the gear down. Not, I wanted to film it putting it up, but totally forgot as usual. So just going to some brekkie then, and then we'll get stripped down and as quickly as we can and get off home. So I'll nearly doing her womanly duties, look, God love her. What is it, egg and
Just egg.
egg cobs and a cappuccino? Can't beat it. So right, foodie time. Get some snap and then get packed away. So I shall see you later.
Well, that's us on our way home, all packed up. Next stop, the homestead. That's it, probably for this year. Unless we get, you know, a nice weekend between now and sort of like the middle of October, which tends to be, I found over the years, middle of October tends to be when we have one nice day, then that disappears, and then you're into the winter time, and then that's it. So we're just hoping that yesterday wasn't that day. We're hoping within the next, still got like about 3 weeks to go, where possibly we could have a, you know, one or maybe two decent weekends. So we might just go somewhere just for the night. But if not, that'll be this is our last one for this year. So
We might be doing some walks on old pit places.
yeah.
You know, where there used to be pits and they turned them into nice walks. Right about that, aren't we? So,
Yeah. We did a little video a couple of weeks ago, Silver Hill Pit up Teversall. We just went for a little walk around there. So we just did put together just a little quick video of us going for a walk around there. So we might do a few more of them, because round our parts in the Midlands there's a lot of ex-pit places, you know, but now they're sort of like nature reserves and stuff, and you can go for a walk around them, and some really nice ones.
yeah.
So yeah, but we're looking at going to do some more research. We've been watching the pit strike. It's on. We watched it, didn't we, the other night?
Yeah,
Orgreave Pit. Obviously, when the miners' strike back in '84, where they call it the Battle of Orgreave. Orgreave, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's been redeveloped, and you know, it's got house and estate and stuff and that on it now. But it's kind of it's quite interesting. So we're going to start doing some research and stuff on Orgreave, and trying to go to the locations then and now kind of thing. So that's something for the near future. Well, for us, we're just interested in it more, if nothing else.
My dad was a miner, and he was on strike and that. So.
Yeah, Don's dad was a striking miner, so the strike has started just as I moved down. I moved down to England in 1983, so it was kind of, you know, we both got to experience the strike. Yeah, that's it. That was the word I looked for, Neil.
Yeah.
Experience.
Yeah.
So you actually may see the internet's hottest lovebirds at some point in the near future, if they can get their hands off each other. Or other friends that you kind of seen shortly a little bit. Badge and Tracy, I think they're getting hooked on the old YouTube, so you may actually start seeing a little bit more of them.
That's it.
We'll probably do some more videos and seeing if you know, if you want to watch it, then great. If not, you know, it's up to you. But watch it, or Naylor will come after you. She'll hunt you down, and you don't want that. Right, that's us just arrived home. Just pulled onto the drive. So pissed it down with rain here. So we're going to get out and probably have coffee and stuff, and then at some point I need to unload the car. Hopefully when it stops raining a little bit later on. So that's it. Another trip done.